This SENSARTE Ceramic Dosa pancake pan is great for making crepes and pancakes. It has a non-stick surface, so your food will slide off with ease. Cleaning up is a breeze, and you won't have to scrub hard. The 12-inch size is just right for good-sized pancakes. Plus, it comes with a spreader. This helps you make thin and even crepes. Woot! Making breakfast can be fun and easy now. The pan has a natural ceramic coating. This means it is PFOA free. You can cook without worrying about harmful stuff. The handle stays cool, therefore, you won't burn your hand. It is also compatible with induction cooktops. This makes it useful for many kitchens. The SENSARTE Ceramic Dosa pancake pan heats up quickly. It also spreads heat evenly, so your pancakes and crepes will cook perfectly. This SENSARTE Ceramic Dosa pancake pan is more than just a pan. It is a helpful tool in your kitchen. Think of it as your partner when you want to make delicious breakfasts. It is durable, and it is easy to use. You can even make dosas on it. It's like having a multi-purpose cooking surface. Forget about sticky pans and enjoy cooking. This pan makes cooking feel like a breeze. Pros: non-stick surface, easy to clean, stay cool handle, induction ready, PFOA free, with spreader. Lightweight, heats evenly, durable, versatile. Use cons: non-stick coating may degrade, handle might get hot near pan, not suitable for very high heat. Utensil restrictions apply: ceramic coating durability, white color stains easily, spreader might be basic, could be too lightweight. 12-inch size is large, only one color. Option features: non-stick 12-inch, with spreader, ceramic coating, dosa pan, pancake pan, flat skillet. Stay cool handle, induction ready, PFOA free. This is a 12-inch white non-stick pan from SENSARTE. It has a natural ceramic coating and comes with a spreader. You can use it to make crepes, dosas, and pancakes. It's a flat skillet that works on all kinds of stoves, even induction. The handle stays cool while you cook, and the pan is made without PFOA. This 12-inch white SENSARTE crepe pan has a natural ceramic non-stick coating, making it easy to cook and clean. And it comes with a spreader. It's lightweight, heats food evenly, and has a stay cool handle. Plus it works on induction cooktops and is PFOA free. However, the non-stick might wear out. The handle could get hot near the pan. It's not for very high heat, and you need to use certain utensils. Also, the ceramic coating's lasting power and the white color's tendency to stain are uncertain. The included spreader might be simple, and some might find it too light. Note that it only comes in a large 12-inch size and one color.